Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to View Your Gmail Password from Your Mobile Device. Let's dive right in. 1. Open the Gmail app on your mobile device. 2. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. 3. Scroll down and select Settings. 4. Choose the Google account for which you want to view the password. 5. Tap on Manage your Google account. 6. Navigate to the Security tab. 7. Scroll down and tap on Password Manager. 8. You will see a list of sites and applications with login details. Tap on google.com. 9. If your mobile device is secured with a password, enter it to access your Gmail password. 10. Finally, tap the eye icon next to the password field to reveal your Gmail password. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.